Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LS all-wheel drive, stock number Z9668A. 64,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, champagne silver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for a latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power lumbar, as well as height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.